Everyone, how to tuts back with another new video. And in this video I will guide you how to use FictionLab AI. So basically this is a role play app, so you need to tap here on the open button. Then you have to create your account. You can create your account like Google or Apple. I'm just going to continue with Google. Then tap here the continue with your Gmail. Back to FictionLab because it's already created account. So with the account creation you can still use this app. So you can see here, this is okay. I have to create, I don't know what happened. So now it's created successfully. So you can see here, you can chat with any character. You can see a lot of character created already here. So you can search also, and you can see here, for example, I'm just tap this star scenario. So now it's loading. Now create new character. Not this time, I'm just say hi. So okay, you have to select your character. And okay, I'm just going to, you have to tap here create, generate create scenario. So you can see here upload image, generate image. Boy, I just create something. And then it's creating, and after that you can see here, then tap the generate images. So it's loading actually. So you can see here it's created. Okay, I'm just select this image, and you can customize. So just keep trying with this. Okay, and after that you can tap here search or find, and tap here any character, twister scenario. So no saved character found, so you have to tap here and I say hi, save, successfully created. Okay, so actually this way you can use this app. Is like other